guys so much for joining me for this Borboleta unboxing. So today I actually have an order that I ordered maybe like a month or so ago, and then this one just came in the other day, so I was like, why not? We got like a 2-for-1 today. So today we're going to be unboxing both of these, and like I always say, it may not be a Tiffany blue, but a Borboleta blue is just as good. So I'm just gonna go grab my box cutter and we will get to opening. And unfortunately, the postal guy really had a thing for this box, and it, you know, it's seen better days. But yeah, I'm gonna go grab my box cutter and we'll get to opening. All right, so I got my box cutter. I'm gonna start out with opening the little baby box. I'm just gonna open it at like a weird angle just so you guys don't see my address. Yeah, you know, because unfortunately these packages do not get sent to my business address. They actually get sent to my home address. Right. Oh, can't wait. Honestly, I love that like they send in a packing list so you know what you got, and then also, you know, they insure your merch with a little bit of bubbles. So yeah, for today's unboxing, I finally got myself a little Borboleta hat. We just have to open it, you know. I don't want to like fully put it on, but like, oh yeah, she looks good. She looks so good. I love this. Borboleta, if you're watching, love it. Wish it also came in other colors. You should maybe think about making it in the blue. That'd be great. But yeah, let's get to the other stuff within the box. I'm gonna set everything to the back over here. So I also got a couple lash books. I got CC's in 0.15 for 8 and 9 millimeter. I was running a little low, and those are like the classics that I use to add kind of the depth and dimension. And then I also got 5 mini gel cleansers. So what I do for my clients that I like find different than any other like lash place, whenever you get a full set, I set you up with cleanser, and for the whole month of July I actually did a full set special for opening the shop. I know the shop tour video isn't up yet, which it should be coming soon. But yeah, so I did, and it's like in normal, like, you know, normal time as well. I also do just like a regular little mini gel cleanser, just to, you know, make sure my clients aren't using like, you know, baby shampoo and stuff like that, that they're using the proper like aftercare with their lashes. Right, and then let's get into our second box. So like I said, this one, she's about like a month or so old, but that does not mean the stuff inside is still not as good. Boom. And then we have another packing list here. And then this one has a lot more lashes in it. A lot. All right, let's see what we got here. So here we have CC 0.10 for volume in 9 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 11 millimeter, 12 millimeter, and then we also have CC 0.05 in 11. I just wanted to do like a full stock up on everything, you know? And then I also have this. Here we have CC's in 0.05 for, you know, mega volume. I love me some mega. We have 9 millimeter, 10, 11, and 12. Oh, they all, somehow I got a C, like a regular C. I don't really use C's too much, even though I use them from time to time, but I don't fully always use C curl. I use CC more. And then this one, I remember this was like a free like gift if you reached a certain amount, and your girl reached the amount. It's a free book of L Plus volume lashes in 0.07, which I've actually really grown to love L and M curl. And I noticed that they just released M curl the other day. I had already made the order, so I'm gonna be ordering M curl, I promise, Borboleta. So yeah. And then over here, we also have a little bit more lashes. Let's see what we have over here? Here we have CCs in 0.10 and 0.05, both in 8mm for their length, which if you guys can see, we're building up quite a little lash dash there. And then here are some aftercare cards. I honestly just love the way Borboleta does things, and it just has, you know, some like tips and tricks on the back. So yeah, with every full set that you get, you'll be getting one of these cards now, and I'm so excited to be able to offer these for my clients. Just that way they get, like, you know, they get some education from me, but they also get it from the company themselves. So I really like that. And then we also have some 233. These are the old Borboleta tweezers. Like I said, I had ordered these maybe about like a month ago, maybe a month and a half. We're not gonna go too much into the time, but these are actually one of my like favorite tweezers for isolation. I want to say they're the fine angle tweezers. It does not say on here, but I believe they're the fine angle tweezers, and they still have them, and I think they still go under fine angle tweezers. So if you're looking for something that's like this for isolation, highly, highly recommend. And then this was like what put me into the cap for the whole like L+ lashes. You guys, I have been wanting these for so long. They are the Borboleta jogger sweatpants. And can I tell you, I'm so excited. I have a dress on today, so I'm not going to be putting them on, but you guys will be seeing me in campfires all summer with these on, and if I come to work with them, you know why. I'm so excited. I got these, I want to say in a large, because yeah, your girl got a lot of junk in the trunk, and I like my sweatpants kind of baggy. But yeah, I think they're so cute, and I love repping Borboleta, so I think this with my new baseball cap, I think it's just going to be a whole little vibe. So yeah, overall, that is all I have for you guys today in this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!